Myself Pramod Nagar. Today topic air. What is the function of the air related to hearing? Second, today topic is air, and air is working related to hearing and equilibrium and balancing of body. Okay, so first discuss about the structure of the air. Air structure divided in three parts: external air, middle air, and internal air. First, will discuss about external air. Second is middle air. Third is internal air. Okay. So first we will discuss external air. External air having air pinna and air canal. In human, air pinna not show a movement because air pinna muscles are not working. Okay. And next is middle ear. Middle ear is bone structure, means having three bones. First is malleus, second is incus, third is stapes. Okay, first we make the structure of ear. This is middle ear, and middle ear connected to. So we'll discuss the structure of ear. First, this part external ear, and this part is middle ear, and this part is inner. Okay, so we already discussed about the external ear. External ear having ear pinna and ear canals. This here ear pinna and this is ear canals, and this ear canals is connected to bone structure through its membrane. This membrane is called tim membrane, या ear drum. Okay, and this is bone structure, and this having the three structure, and this is middle ear. So we will discuss about middle ear. Middle ear have three bones. First we will discuss malleus. Malleus joint to incus bone, and this joint hinge joint. We already discussed about the hip joint in skeleton system. Okay. Second is incus. Incus joint to stapes bone, and this joint is called ball and socket joint. Third is stapes bone, the smallest. Now we will discuss internal structure of internal structure having two components: bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth. Bony labyrinth formation for temporal bone, tympanic bone, and membranous labyrinth having two structure is semicircular duct, and second is cochlea. Now we will discuss detail internal ear. Semicircular duct and semicircular duct related to body balancing, and cochlea are related to auditory semicircular having two structure, saculus and nutriculus. Now is section of the saculus is find this structure is called the macula. Saculus section find is macula structure. This macula structure related to body balancing in static condition. Okay, whenever stand in proper posture is decided by two saculars, means macula decide the body balancing, and other structure is ampulla part of semi circular duct. Okay, ampulla section have an crista. There is crista balancing and dynamic condition. When with running condition, then is crista is balancing our body. Okay. Now next is structure of cochlea. Structure of cochlea. Structure of cochlea. Cochlea is related to hearing, and cochlea are related to auditory nerve. Cochlea having three parts: perilimb, perilimb related to scala vestibuli and scala tympani. Endolimb related to scala media. Related remaining part tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, thank you.